Cygnet's Global e-Invoicing ASP application. And this is the login screen. So we have got the manual e-invoice upload option. So you can go to the import screen, go to documents, and from here you can download the mandatory data formats along with their masters, etc. Simply just have to click on the Peppol format and the format will be downloaded. So this is how the standard format looks like. So here we have provided all the columns which are available through the Peppol network. And what are their types? I mean, how many are mandatory, conditional, mandatory, non-mandatory, etc. What are the details? What is the maximum limit of the data field that is to be passed on? And the descriptions of the data field, etc. So all this will be provided within the Excel sheet. And we have got the masters which can be referred to populate the details. So here I've prepared a sample import format with all the mandatory details which are just required for the reporting purposes. And these are my document numbers. I've furnished the billing details, the bill from bill to details. So here are the details which are populated within the Excel. So we'll come back to the Cygnet ASP application and you can drag and drop across the files for the import from here. So to import the file and just have to simply click on the import button. The file has been successfully uploaded. So here I had 12 documents and 10 got uploaded successfully. There are errors in both the documents. So to view the errors, either you can download the processed file from here and you can correct those errors within the Excel and upload the same file. Or we have got the UI functionality as well, wherein simply you can view and correct those errors from the screen directly. So this is how the error message will be available and along with the error fields as to in which field the error is. So once the data is successfully uploaded, I'll just move on to the sales module, from where you can view all the uploaded sales data, select the documents, and you can generate the e-invoices that report the invoices from the portal directly. So we have got the auto reporting option as well available in case as soon as the invoices are uploaded, if you want to have it reported to the authorities, we can have the automated upload, or else we can have the manual reporting option also there in place. So the Peppol side has been successfully delivered and the tax authority part is under progress. So here the document has been successfully reported from both ends and we shall receive the corresponding statuses. In case there are any validation failures, you will receive those validation issues as well. And you can download the Excel PDF of this document directly from the screen. So this is how the standard PDF will look like. If you want to customize the header, footer, and the structure of the PDF, we can help with that customization as well. And you can download the PDF XML attachment of the data directly from the screen. So this is how you manually upload and generate or report the e-invoices from the application directly.